So I'm going to be working on this Scots pine today, and I think what we're going to do is try to show off this really fantastic base to the tree by using somewhere around here as the front and potentially tilting it off to the side a little bit like this, bringing this down into this area and this over here as the directional branch, but we'll see if it works. So I've cleaned up all the foliage, I've removed one of the branches up here at the top, and we've ginned this to create a tengine. Now the next step is going to be to change the angle and apply some raffia and wire to start manipulating the branches. So I'm going to start working with this guy first and create our first directional branch, and then we'll see where that ends up. And relative to that, I'll build the rest of the tree. So this is the final product after we set all the branches initially. The tree has a lot of flaws that we had to hide, and one of those was the big spaghetti branch in the back that I brought around. Unfortunately, it was about, I'd say probably 70 centimeters long, and we had to scrunch it back. So if we had had more time, it would have been good to graft that branch instead of manipulating it back in, but for a demonstration, this is what we do. The top of the tree I also had to crank down as well, so it doesn't have the best lines in the world, but eventually once it starts filling in, we can kind of hide a few more of those flaws, I think. But overall, I think it turned out pretty good.